There's two sheriffs sitting right there, so let's not do anything too crazy now here. We'll just hop on the bike, everything's on, and do a little send. This road is so fun to cruise on, man. It's pretty skinny though, so it's kind of sketchy, but not really. But kind of. Really hope nobody's sending through this tunnel here. Nope. Dude, this driveway right here, nobody behind us, nobody in front of us, is a perfect natural jump, dude. Watch this. Just gotta then you just pop back over here. Nobody even knows what's going on. Got ourselves a straightaway and for it. Bro, this thing is so fast. Like so fast. It's hilarious actually. What the heck is this, bro? Big old tractor just chilling in the middle of the road. Go ahead and make sure nobody's coming around this turn here. And we're about to do a little hill climb here, man. Let's have some fun. Ooh. These 16-inch wheels get so much more traction than the 12 inches. I mean, that's a given. But dude, it's so awesome. Like this thing just rips. Oh, drift. Pop it. Alright, so slow down a bit here. And yeah. Guess there's not really much else a choice but to kind of just send it. This is kind of sketchy. Oh man. I definitely need to get, oh, that was a big stick. To get some better rotors, some thicker rotors, because I can tell that my brakes, even though these are the TRP, dude, there's so many Osage oranges or whatever they're called around here, like I can't even drive in a straight line. But yeah, my TRP brakes are designed for much thicker rotors than the stock ones. And that's a tree, so can't go over it, gotta go around it. See if we can get over this little creek crack right here. Move the back end, do this, and oh no, that was literally a fail. Okay. There we go. Yeah, basically I need some thicker rotors. These stock 1.8 millimeter thick rotors don't have too much to grab onto with these TRP brakes. They're starting to feel a little squishy. Bro, I was trying to do some full throttle sending, but it's kind of hard to go full throttle when you can't see the ground in front of you. Ow, that was a thorn bush. It just ripped my ankle open. But what can you do? That was a stick. It just got crunched. Alright, cool. Oh my god. Little drift. Let's go down here and hit this jump a few more times, dude. I really want to start jumping this bike and getting better at being in the air and controlling the bike in the air. Oh my gosh. That was some squishy gravel. Hopefully you guys can actually see this jump. I was watching the footage and noticed, oh yeah. Dude, that is so fun to do. I just gotta get better at controlling the bike in the air, man. Yeet. Alright, do this again. Try to get an even cleaner hit this time. Yeet. Oh yeah, no, that was literally perfect right there, dude. That was so smooth. I love this bike so much, dude. All right, everybody. Now that is really gonna wrap it up for this video. I just want to do some full throttle sends on my 12,000 watt 72 volt Sur, rocking the 16x19 flow wheels. With these wheels, dude, this thing is an absolute beast on and off road. Now, if you guys watched the previous videos, you probably saw me talk a bit about the back wheel wobbling. I think I got that figured out. I'm not gonna tell you guys until I actually get it figured out for sure, but stay tuned if you've been having that problem too. Yeah, guys, like I said, that's all for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.